Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can use the draw table feature in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. We need to open Microsoft Word first, so we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it to open it. Click on the blank document. Now let me quickly insert a table first. So click on Insert and then Table. Okay, let's have this one. Now with this table, we are going to use the draw table feature. So you have to select this table first by clicking on this plus sign symbol on the left pane. And then you will find these two tabs at the top, table design and table layout. Now we have to click on the table layout. And here you will find the draw table feature. Design your own table by drawing the cell, row, and column borders yourself. So basically, if you're going to just simply insert a table, this is how it looks like, wherein you cannot insert like a table that has a line in the first cell or in the first row in between of these lines. So we can simply do that by drawing it or using the draw table feature. Now click on it and let's try it. So let's draw a straight line right here, and that's it. You can also divide this, okay, and then so according to your needs, according to your requirements, it's up to you on how you would like to design your table using the draw feature. You can also put a line like this. So as you can see, I'm just enjoying drawing on this table. So that's it. That's how you can the draw into your table or use the draw table feature on your Windows. And look what I have created by using the draw table feature from a simple table into this complex table. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.